Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology and start our new session here for the free class. This is a class number 1. Okay, so we will trade here on the support and resistance. Let's see how to trade on support and resistance. This is a class for the beginners only. Okay, so you can see here this is AUD CAD chart. It's a ranging market like this. Okay, so we have to check first what going the market. Okay, what's the trend here? Okay, the major trend is uptrend, minor trend is downtrend at the. Okay, so market want to go up from here, so we will place here our support and resistance level. Okay, this is our support level here. Okay, let's see, it's a support area. What happened right now? I'll trade when I'm sure. After I will be trade here. Okay, let's see what happened. I'm placing a call option here. Okay, I think it's a late entry, but no problem. I'm sure about this trade. I'm 100% sure I will be win this trade. Okay, I will explain how I place a trade here and how I win here. Okay, I'm sure about this candle, that's it, I am trade here. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, very good. This is, I think, 100% sure winning trade. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, this is winning trade. You can see here I'm winning this trade. Okay, so let me explain how I trade here. First, I was open the market and check what's going on the trend. Okay, you can see this is a major trend is uptrend, minor trend is downtrend, and market again go up from this level. Okay, you can see from this to this level. Okay, so we have to check where is the our current price bar. You can see this is our current price bar. Okay, and we have to place our support and resistance level here. Okay, so look at. Okay, okay, this one our support level. You can see this red candle after green candle very strongly going up from this level. Okay, so I will place here our support level on this green candle. Okay, like this, and get weak also. Okay, like this. Okay, this whole area is our support level. Whenever market comes this level, you can see reject from this level. It means this level is very strong level. Okay, then after I am waiting to come market here like this. We are opening chart here, then I will be see the market right now here on this candle. Okay, previous candle red candle get a rejection from same level. It means there is some bias. Okay, then after I will see the weak bearish candle. It means the sellers are enough from this level. Okay, from here to here sellers enough. It means seller is finished here. Okay, it means the buyers entry now. Okay, that's it. I am sure here about this candle, and this is giving me a winning trade. Okay, understand? If you have any question, then comment below. or ask me on WhatsApp, I will be reply you. Okay, so let's go the next trade. I will be trade on one more here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we are placing, where is our current price bar? Okay, the current price bar is near to this level. Okay, you can see this level. Okay, so I will be place my level here, this one and this one. Okay, whenever market cross this level, you can see the market is cross this level, I will be placed when I get a rejection. Okay, okay, I'll place a call option here because I get some rejection from same level. Okay, and about this candle I am 100% sure it will be give me a winning trade. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, you can see the second trade also going a win. Okay, very good. Let's start for the next trade. Okay, buy new here. This trade also I am winning, no problem, 100% sure about that. Okay, so I will be place next my support. Okay, you can see this trade is winning. Okay, this candle showing here some buyers, so I will be place my support level from this body from buyers. Okay, and this week. Okay, whenever market come this level and touch this level, it will be 100% reject because this is a support area, bias area. Okay, let me check what's going on. Okay, after I will be trade here when I'm sure. Okay, okay, now market cross this level market cross this level. When market come and touch this level, it's again going up because the major trend is uptrend. You have to mind where going is major trend and always go with trend. Okay, don't go against the trend. Okay, you can see the market come here and touch this level, then after it will be reverse. If it is not touch and reverse, then we will not trade on this level, we will check another level. Okay, so we have to patience here. If market come here and touch this level, then 100% it will be go up. Okay, so we have to wait for the market coming this level. Okay, oh, it's going very hardly up, so may it's not come, so we have to place another support and resistance level. Okay, so this area is a beautiful reversing area. You can see the market reverse from this level. If I get any rejection from upside, then I will place here a put option. Okay, no, okay, I missed the trade, it's going up, but no problem, I will be trade on next candle when I am sure. Wait for right opportunity. If you get right opportunity, then you can trade, you will 100% win. Okay, and I'm providing the paid classes also. If you want to learn advanced in candlestick psychology, okay, and some sure shot in advanced tips and tricks, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number or comment below or call me, no problem. I will provide my information, contact information in description below. You can check my contact number and contact me. Okay, if you want to learn candlestick psychology, some sure shot tricks, then you can contact me. I will provide you, no problem. We have already started paid classes. If you want to join, then contact me, no problem. Okay, so look at the market cross this level. This is very strong level, but market cross, no problem. When market touch this level, then after I will be trade. Oh, it's a comeback, but no problem, we have to wait. We have to wait market cross this level because this is a uptrend. Okay, if market touch not cross this level, then market come to this level, then after I will be trade. Okay, so we have to wait and patience. If you get right opportunity, then you can trade, you will 100% win. Okay, if you don't get any opportunity, then don't trade. Don't gambling. The guessing is gambling. The logically trade is a business, so you have to trade like a businessman. Okay, so you have to wait for the right opportunity, then you can trade. So it is a 100% winning trade and logically trade. Okay, don't gambling on IQ option. Okay, if you guess, only guessing, then you can every time lose. If you place a trade here with logically, then you can win, no problem. Okay, so we have to try to place trade on logically. Okay, if you know candlestick psychology, then you can trade easily on every candle or every 2 to 5 minutes, no problem. But if you have a beginner, then you can wait a right opportunity, then you can trade, otherwise don't trade. Okay, so this is a consolation area. When market cross the upper level, this one, or cross the down lower low, this one, then after I will trade. Okay, so we have to wait with patience. Patience is the key of the success. Okay, if you want to success, then you have to patience. If you don't have patience, you don't give a success. Okay, you don't take a success, you have to wait and patience. Okay, no problem. If you have any question, then comment below. I will be reply your question on next video. Okay, if you have any doubt, then contact me, no problem. I will be give some information about candlestick psychology, no problem. Okay, and if you want to join my class, then also most welcome. Okay, my paid classes fee is very low. You can check another persons also, they take more than $300, 100 to $300, but I'm not like this. I'll provide in less minimum charges. Okay, so and you get definitely positive result after my classes, no problem. Okay, look, this level is didn't break from market. Okay, the sellers didn't more here to break this level, it means the buyers entry here. Okay, so this level is very good working here. We have to wait. Sorry, it's going above 14 minutes, but this is a very informative video for my subscriber. So thank you for supporting me every time, like my videos, watch my videos. Thank you for very much. Okay, my friends. Okay, look, this candle is breaking our support level. Okay, so we have to wait some time. If it is didn't broke this level, then I will be trade here. Okay, because major trend is uptrend. We are waiting for this candle close above that level, then we'll trade on call option. Okay, otherwise didn't trade. So we have to wait here what's going on. Okay, very good. The next level is here. You can see the market didn't touch here right now. A very good candle, and I am placing here a call option. Okay, so I'm sure about this candle closed as a green candle and gave me a winning trade. Okay, if I lost this trade, no problem, loss are common in IQ option, but trade with logic. Okay, so here logic is, I will explain what that logic. Okay, after this candle, so we have to wait and watch. It's give me a 100% winning. Okay, so watch here. I will close this video when I win this trade, because video is going more than 15 minutes, so I don't want to make a long video, because sometimes some people are crazy. Oh, okay, no problem, this is my losing trade. I'll place a call option again. Okay, again one entry, two entry. I will be place here a call option. I am 100% sure on next candle. You can see the loss are common. Loss are common in IQ option. Then you have to learn how to recover this loss. You can see I lost here $1 and I will recover with $1.74. Okay, you can see I will be win here, because I am sure about that candle. It's going 100% green. If it is not go, today is a OTC market. Sometime it's a level are not working on OTC market. I recommend to don't trade on OTC market. Use only real market, genuine market. Then you will be win every trade. Sometimes it's happen, we have to lose, but we need to learn how to recover that loss. Okay, look at previous I was lost this trade, and again I place a trade here, then I will be win here. Okay, look at my $1 is cover and 74 cents are winning. Okay, so you have to learn money management also. I will be teach all of you money management and candlestick psychology. If you want to join my class, then you can contact me. Okay, thank you very much for the watching my video. Please give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and like my video. And if you new here, then subscribe my channel. I will be provide every time informative video. Okay, thank you very much, goodbye.